To use the exposure tool on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to correct lighting in your photos, open Gallery app and then open a photo you want to edit. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tone icon. Next, tap exposure icon. Drag the slider to the left to reduce exposure and darken an overexposed image. Or drag the slider to the right to increase exposure and brighten underexposed image. If you are happy with the result, tap Save to save the change. As a note, the exposure tool is ideal for fixing lighting issues in photos, especially those taken in too much or too little light. While it may seem similar to brightness, exposure affects the entire photo's light balance, making it more powerful for correcting the original capture. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.